18. What is the approximate solution to the equation? Approximate solution to me means there's going to be decimals, so I would grab my calculator. Go ahead and throw it in the y equals graph. 2x squared plus 5x minus 1. Hit graph. Zoom 6, give me the standard window. Zoom 6. There's both solutions. It crosses the x-axis twice, right? Don't forget, in y2 you have y equals 0, which is the x-axis, right? So I've got those two graphs. I've got the x-axis, y equals 0, and I've got the parabola. And where they intersect is going to be the answers. So go to second calc. Number 5 is intersect. And just move the cursor close to the intersection point you want to find. I'm going to find the one on the left first and hit enter 3 times. Once you get it close to that intersection point, hit enter 3 times. And it says x is equal to negative 2.69. And do it again, second calc, intersect, arrow over to the other intersection point. It looks like 0, but I'm just going to make sure. Enter, enter, enter. And it's not, it is 0.19. Questions? Everybody okay with finding the solutions using the calculator? Okay, 19. All right, it wants to solve for x here. What should we do first?
Divide by 4.
Divide by 4? Now what? Square root, right? Both sides. So on the left hand side I've got x plus 3. On the right hand side what do I have?
3.
Close? Plus or minus 3. Remember the rule, if you create the square root you got to put a plus or minus in front of it. Now what? Minus 3 to both sides. X equals positive 3 minus 3 is 0. Negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6. Any questions? Okay, 20. We've got vertex at 1, negative 2, and we've got a directrix at y equals 6. Okay, what should we do? Sketch it out, right? So we can figure out which way it opens, and then maybe we can figure this thing out here. 1, negative 2 is my vertex, and the directrix is y equals 6. Y equals 6, is that a vertical or horizontal line?
Horizontal.
It's horizontal, right? Y equals going through the y-axis. So that's my directrix. Okay, so which way does this open?
Down.
Opens down, right? So if it opens down, which equation am I gonna use? Which variable is gonna be not squared? Parabola is open in the direction of the unsquared variable. It's opening in the y direction, so we're gonna use the y equals. What do the H and K represent? The vertex, right? So we can plug that in. The vertex is here, so it'll be -1 squared minus 2. And then what's the A? And we have an equation that has A in it. Remember, A is equal to 1 over 4C. What does the C represent?
Oh, the distance between the vertex and the director.
Right? What's that distance?
8
8,
is, yeah.
6 and 2?
Yeah.
So we know A is equal to 1 over 4 times 8, or 1 over 32. What also do I know about my value of my A? It's opening down. It's got to be negative, right? It's coming back.
Yeah. Very slowly.
Questions on 20 before we move on? All right, can you stop it?